sorry, Game 6 pala. Game 6, napanood ko yung, Game 5 pala yung sinasabi ko. Yung Game 5 yung tampak, di ba? Yung Game 6, wala, nangyari, nag-dictate. Hindi nila kayang tapatan. Kasi, sino ba big man ko? Si Japet. Di ba? Well, Japet saka Brownlee lang naman eh. Pero si Japet parang, minsan parang lutang maglaro. Kung if you watch the games, there are certain plays na parang, ba't niya ginawa yun? Di ba? Parang, it's, yung parang easy play na lang, like, it's something, sa hirap naman kasi professional player ako, di ba? Hindi naman ako naglaro sa college level ngayon, pero, when as a fan, parang minsan, parang wala sa sarili si Japet maglaro eh. Ako lang yun like sa akin, I guess yung consistency niya. I was kinda surprised why he was even parang second place pa nga siya sa best player of the conference. Kasi if you look at the game, if you look at how they play, parang wala sa eh. I guess I'm curious lang parang sa akin, okay lang siguro mag-small kasi wala naman sino ba pinapalit nila kay wala naman silang ibang big man di ba? O si Adams, parang di mo maasahan yun. So, sa akin, yung number 1, pag finals talaga short rotation ka, then I think the plan or the strategy of Tokai Texas playing fast was Ginebra was having a hard time with it. Kita-kita naman yun, sobrang hirap sila eh. As in, hirap sila sumot. Di ba? Yung nag-all ng 85, tapos after nun, hindi sila nakasyon hanggang matapos na yung game. So, by the looks of it, they had to adjust talaga. And I think si Coach Tim ko hindi niya ginamit si Japet Aguilar kasi it makes it harder for them to compete with Tokai Tex, I guess, in a way. Tsaka mainit si RJ. Diba? RJ was playing, I think he scored 31 points. And then, obviously, si Scotty is someone you need on the floor for his hustle plays. And then, Justin Brown is there. Tapos, yun. Tsaka yung dalawang guards nila. Si Aham Nisi and si Holt. Yeah, and obviously, yun. Parang, I think, he rode with the best lineup possible to play against Tokai Tex. Pero wala eh. Na-expose talaga sila for that game. And yun. Like, when you watch during the time Japet Aguilar was in the UAAP, diba yung mga plays din niya? Usually, pang lang si Japet eh. You just want him to get the rebounds, tapos wala siyang galaw eh. That's what I know of Japet. Na wala talaga siyang galaw. Yes, sometimes his shot is there, sometimes it's not. Pero minsan he makes boneheaded. Parang alam mo yun, parang yung mga plays na parang, ba't na ginawa yun? That puts your team in a position na alanganin. So that's how I see him eh. Parang pang salo lang alley-oop, pang rebound, pang putback. Pero he's not the type that can create his own shot. And that was the problem of the finals for Ginebra. Hindi nila na-figure out hindi nila ma-atake yung depensa ng Tokai Tex. Diba? Ang daming stops na nagawa ng tsaka yung points na score nila, hindi nga sila umabot sa isang game. Yung game 4 lang ata sila umabot ng 100 plus. The rest, it was below 100 and they were, during this conference, they were averaging more than 100 points. And they were shooting like 37.5%. So, wala. TNT was shown that they were the better team. Nagmukhang mahina talaga yung Ginebra during the finals.